Did you know you can buy a property with no money down? Yes, actually, we are serious, but let's repeat that anyway. No money down. How? Well, let's check out these 4 key steps. Number 1, buy under market properties, aka discounted properties, aka cheaper properties. You might be able to find these on the MLS, maybe, but you'll likely have more luck finding them via a wholesaler. Number 2, set up your loan properly. This is an important 2-step process. The trick is to purchase with a hard money loan and then refinance with a permanent loan as fast as possible. That way, you can get the highest loan amount possible. It all starts with finding out what you qualify for on the permanent side. Once you know what your permanent loan will look like, you can match that number to your hard money loan. Number 3, set up your loan as a rate and term, not a cash out. Okay, deep breath. We're not going to get into the nitty-gritty of these mortgage terms, but we are going to highlight the significant differences. Setting your loan up as a cash out can be very tempting. You get money at closing. What's better than that, right? Well, did you know when you set up your loan as a cash out, you pay higher costs, take a lot longer to refinance out of your expensive hard money loan, and unfortunately qualify for lower loan amounts? With a rate and term, all of that changes. You spend far less cash up front. You can refinance out of your pricey hard money loan a lot faster. Like, we're talking months faster than a cash out. And you get to enjoy lower rates. Better yet, at the end of the day, your cash flow will multiply because you get to do more with your money when you pay less for your loans. This is actually a pretty simple process to set up if you work with someone who can help you with both your hard money and permanent loans. Which leads us to number 4. Find a lender who can handle these kinds of loans, like investor real estate loans. There aren't many lenders, if any, who have the knowledge, expertise, and ability to handle everything from hard money to conventional loans, and treat you like a teammate, not a number. So, take a second to give us a call and start buying your properties with little to no cash down. Our team aims to lower your stress, increase your production, and boost your cash flow, and make life a whole lot easier. Investor real estate loans. Good loans, good people, good business.